Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new topic, pronouns. Pronouns. What are pronouns? Words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. He, she, it, you, we, I, they, etc. Those words which we use instead of noun words, we say them pronouns. Now, let's see through pictures. Now, he. When do we use he? We use he for a boy, for a policeman, for a chef if the chef is male, for grandfather, for grandson, for doctor if the doctor is male, for carpenter, for any of our friend, any our friend who is a boy. So he is used for masculine gender. We have read about gender now. He is used for masculine gender, or we can say male people, male people. Okay. He is used for male. And next is she. She is used for feminine gender. She is used for females. Girl, grandmother, mother, sister, friend Ela, nurse, teacher, ma'am. Okay, we use she for female, we use she for feminine gender. Okay, now comes it. It is used for things, saman, and it is used for animals and birds. It is used for animals and birds. It is used for things, objects. Now, it is a plane. It is a toy. It is a mouse. It is a train. It is an umbrella. It is a book. It is an egg. It is a jug. It is a fish. For animals, for birds, and for things, we use it. Now, when do we use I? We use I for ourselves. हम I अपने लिए यूज करते हैं. When we talk about ourselves, we use I. Now, this girl is saying, I like rains. I like rains. She is talking about herself. वो अपने बारे में बोल रही. Then this I is again a pronoun. I like rainy season. I is a pronoun. And I is used for talking about our own self. अपने बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, then we use I. When do we use we? We is used for more than one person, for plural, for many. We is used for many, not for one person. Now, this girl is saying to this boy, okay? She is saying, we will go home together. We will go home together means she and this boy will go together home. So she is saying, we will go together home. Now, in for we are not using for we are not using for one person. We are using we for two people. So we is used for more than one or for many people. Okay. Now this girl is saying to this boy, we means these two. We will go home together. So we is used for more than one person. We is used for plural. We is used for many, and we is used for ourselves and for the second person to whom we are talking. Okay, so we is used for more than one person, और जिसमें आप खुद included हो, जिस जिस बात में आप अपने बारे में भी बोल रहे हो और सामने वाले के बारे में भी बोल रहे हो, then we use we. okay, जिसमें आप हो तब हम we बोलेंगे. हम दूसरों के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे, इसमें हम अपने बारे में कर रहे हैं और हमारे सामने जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में. ठीक है. सो वी से दैट वी यूज we for more than one person or for many. Okay. Now comes they. Now in this picture, see, one girl and one boy are playing in the rain. Okay. So here this girl is saying, here this girl is saying, this girl is saying they are playing in the rain. This girl is saying, not now in this sentence, they are playing in the rain. They are playing in the rain. Now, in this sentence, she is not talking about herself. इसमें ये कहीं पर नहीं है. ये किसके बारे में बात कर रही है? ये इनके बारे में बात कर रही है. जब हम दूसरे के बारे में बात करते हैं, when we talk about other people, then we use they. जिसमें हम नहीं होते. वी में तो हम भी होते हैं ना साथ में. बट इन दे वी आर नॉट देयर. वी टॉक अबाउट अदर पीपल. when we talk about other people, we use they, and they is used again for many, more than one. They is not used for one person. They is used for many people, or they is used for more than one. For two people we use they. For more than two people we use they. But for one person we do not use they. We use he, she, it. Okay. They and we use for more than one person. हम तभी we और they का यूज करेंगे जब हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं. एक की नहीं, एक से ज़्यादा की बात करेंगे, तभी हम they और we का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. Now I am going to give you one exercise. Now in this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Now there are some sentences you have to use pronoun. Dash is an intelligent girl. Now in this sentence we are talking about girl. For girl, what do we use? She. For girl we use she. Dash is a brave boy. In this sentence we are talking about boy. So boy, for boy we use he. It is my, dash is my new bag. Now here we are talking about bag. Bag is a thing. For thing we use it. Dash are my best friend. Dash, now friend is one person, not two, not three, not four, not five. We are talking about only one best friend. We are talking about only one best friend. So one friend, for one friend we cannot use they, we cannot use we. For one person we don't use na we and they. Now left I or you. Okay, I and you are left. I are my best friend, wrong. You are my best friend, correct. For one best friend we are talking, so you are my best friend. Now dash are good students. Now we are talking about more than one student. ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स की बात हो रही है, तो वी कैन यूज़ वी और दे. हम वी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, दे भी कर सकते हैं. तो हियर इट इज़ यूज्ड वी आर गुड स्टूडेंट्स. अगर हम लिखेंगे दे आर गुड स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. डैश एम अ गुड सिंगर. सो हियर आई इज यूज्ड बिकॉज person is talking about herself or himself. I am a good student, and most of the time with am, I is used. जहाँ कहीं सेंटेंस में am होगा ना, तो उसके साथ आपको I का ही यूज करना है. Now dash are playing in the park. So dash are playing in the park. He are playing, wrong. She are playing. For he and she, are is not used. For it, are is not used. So for plural, R is used. For more than one person, okay, R is used. So we can write here we can write here they, and we can write here you also. So all three are correct. If we will say we are playing in the park, correct. If we will say they are playing with the park, correct. If we will say you are playing in the park, that is also correct. Okay. So children, again revising, for girl, for female, for feminine gender, we use she. For masculine gender, for male people, we use he. For things and for animals and birds, we use it. For one person, we use you. For many people, we use we or they. Okay. And for when we talk about ourselves, जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use I. And when there is a in the sentence am is used, we use I. किसी भी सेंटेंस में जहां आपको am दिखेगा, आपको I ही यूज करना है, ठीक है। और जब आपको एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन पीपल की बात हो रही है, तब आप यू भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड दे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। For plural, for plural you will use we and they, okay। For one person you will use you। For plural, for more than, देखिए अब we are good students, here we are not talking about one student, we are talking about more students, so we is used here। Dash are playing in the park, we or they both are correct, okay। We are playing or they are playing in the park, both are correct, okay। So remember, we and they, हम हमेशा ये ध्यान रखेंगे कि when we talk about more people, more person, then we use we or they। single के लिए नहीं करेंगे, one के लिए नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। और जब am का यूज होगा सेंटेंस में, then we will use I, okay। So children, do this work in your copy, okay। I will give you more exercise in the next class. Bye bye.